You are not stuck buying only run-flat tires. More and more major automakers are installing run-flat tires on their new vehicle models. For many years now, BMW has fully committed to using run-flat tires across their entire model lineup. In concept, run-flats are a great technology allowing travel of up to 100 miles on a completely deflated tire. Using run-flats saves the automaker the added cost of providing an actual spare tire for your vehicle. So if your vehicle has run-flat tires, very likely you do not have a factory-supplied spare. With this transition, car owners may feel stuck or required to only buy run-flat replacement tires if their vehicle had them originally. While shopping for replacements, generally you'll find run-flats are priced much higher than conventional tires. That higher price is even more frustrating when considering their famously short tread life. Typically, run-flat tires can wear out in half of the usable mileage of regular tires. Not to mention, one common complaint is that run-flat tires have a poor and much harsher ride quality. But do run-flat tires do the job they were designed to do? Well, yes and no. As mentioned, with zero air pressure in a run-flat tire and aside from having a major blowout, you can travel up to 100 miles in order to find help at a tire shop. Sounds great, right? Once at the shop, you'll learn that if a run-flat tire is used without air pressure for any significant distance, it cannot be repaired and the tire must be replaced. Yep, no quick patch for that. It's new tire time. Oh, and by the way, if all 4 tires are well into their usable tread life, tire experts strongly advise against mounting only a single new tire. This advice is especially critical for modern, sophisticated all-wheel drive systems that are sensitive to variations in tread wear. When stuck on the roadside, it may be wise to call the nearby tire shop to ask if they stock run-flat tires in the size you need. If not, ask if they can get them quickly. On a road trip, waiting for tire deliveries can add days to your delay and make a fun road trip a real mess. So yes, for a simple leak, run-flat tires can get you down the road. But clearly, run-flat tires are not a great overall solution. Here's some good news. You are not stuck only buying run-flat tires. For many years, Modern Spare has provided freedom from only buying run-flats if your vehicle requires them. Thousands of happy drivers have discovered our carefully designed spare tires and complete spare tire kits, including tools and accessories. Each spare option from Modern Spare is engineered specifically for every year, make and model we support, with more models being added monthly. Modern Spare offers a far better space-saving design than typical factory-supplied spare tires. Our lightweight alloy wheel, combined with a long-range rugged radial tire, is your ideal solution for traveling with peace of mind. Modern Spare gives you the freedom to choose better, repairable tire options and break free from expensive run-flat tires. With better conventional tires, you can rediscover the ride quality and performance your vehicle was designed for. To learn more about the Modern Spare product line, subscribe to our mailing list or click through and explore each kit option engineered for your vehicle. Modern Spare, engineered for your peace of mind.